quite over the moon about the pots. Don't mind how I'm looking. I was so excited about the box and the pots and everything that I can cook. Yay! The pots. The pots, the pot. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. There's a flaw. Right? Now, let's look at the lovely ones. Perfect. Saucepan. Perfect. Fits well. A bigger saucepan. Cover. Lid. Fits well. Great. Lovely. Handle. Nice. Frying pan. Cover. Fits perfectly. Lovely. Great. Love it. Now, the big pot. It looks good. It looks nice. Great handles. When you go to cover it, it can't cover. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit in the groove. Like there's air coming out. Like there's steam coming out. It cannot close properly. It doesn't fit. It's shaped. It's dented. It's a flawed pot. It's not okay. The pot is not okay. How do your rice steam properly if it's not closed properly? I get it. This is a peephole for the rice, the steam to come out lovely. But if I cannot seal my pot, is it really a pot with a cover? I'm gonna go to crush it again. I really just wanted to make my plantains and my eggs. I just wanted some fried plantain and eggs. Fried plantain, eggs. I cannot do that because if I'm going to return this pot,